Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between NetSuite and Quicken. Quicken, Quicken. So we'll see which of this is going to win. NetSuite is a business giant and we are pitting it against home finance hero Quicken. Choosing a financial or a finance app in 2025 is not easy, and you could be stuck between these two big names. This isn't just a comparison. It's a showdown between a corporate jet and a family SUV. A corporate jet and a family SUV. Let's pit the enterprise powerhouse NetSuite against the household favorite Quicken. Let's start with the vibe. NetSuite is your entire corporate headquarters in the cloud, while Quicken is your family's financial command center. Let's look at what they are best for. NetSuite is best for growing and large businesses. Global operations and teams. While Quicken is for individuals and families, budgets, investments, and bills. When we look at their power level, NetSuite has a 10 over 10, ERP, accounting, CRM, inventory, and e-commerce. While Quicken has 8 over 10, deep personal finance and investment tracking. When it comes to price, NetSuite has an enterprise quote that starts in the thousands per year, while Quicken has an affordable subscription that starts around a few dollars per month. When we look at their setup, NetSuite needs a team of experts and consultants to set it up, while Quicken, you can set it up yourself in an afternoon. Lastly, the secret weapon. NetSuite's secret weapon is real-time global financial consolidation, while Quicken is classic, reliable bill pay and investment alerts. So the choice actually is simple. Are you running a multi-million-dollar corporation that needs to manage global supply chains, complex payroll, and real-time revenue? Then NetSuite is your only choice. Or are you mastering your personal finance empire, optimizing your mortgage, tracking your portfolio, and finally nailing that budget? Then Quicken is your perfect, powerful partner. These two tools are both brilliant, but they operate on completely different planets. So which planet are you on? The corporate world of NetSuite or the home front with Quicken? Let me know in the comments which one you use and why. If this breakdown helped you, do us a huge favor. Smash that like button and subscribe for more clear-cut tech comparison. Until next time, manage your money smarter.